Hello everyone, my name is James, and in this video I will show you how to order DTF transfer by size on our website. First, hover over the DTF transfers menu and choose DTF transfer by size. And once the page loads, you can choose your file by clicking this button or drag your file here. After your file is done uploading, you can choose a quantity for your design here and a size for your design here. Please note that we keep your design's original aspect ratio the same, meaning that if you increase the width of your design, the height will increase proportionally to your design's aspect ratio. Also, make sure to trim all your designs, as every pixel in the file will count in the size selection. Additionally, you can have your orders pre-cut, meaning that they will come in individual pieces rather than coming on a roll. And once you're done, you can click the Add to Cart button and you're all set.